Sitharm. I'm coming. Oh, phlegm. Ugh. Have we any news on the subject? No. No circumstantial update plans either for your plan. Blast. Well, this is the 15th box today. Well, let's just hope with that you can perhaps get me more information. Actually, as a matter of fact, that reminds me. I have to fix myself up. Of course, this is day 42 I've had this preposterous cold for. So I might have to try something else, like, not just constantly blowing my nose. I'm going to take a shower. I mean, there's no sanitizer anywhere at all. So I'm going up. Servants, follow me. You may be needed. Only by my call and command, of course. Only by my command and call, of course. Also, you might want to clean up the staircase. Wow, that is 9 very thick layers that no one wants to clean up. It looks a lot like baking icing, but... Okay.